Want to know how sellers in the USA are turning free art into real cash? This is the Etsy digital wall art hack, a loop that prints money using public domain images. Let's break it down. Start by grabbing free public domain art from sites like the Library of Congress or Wikimedia Commons. These images are copyright free, meaning you can legally use them. Think vintage posters, botanical prints, or classic paintings. All perfect for USA buyers. Next, enhance them. Use Canva or Photoshop to resize, sharpen, or add a modern touch. The goal is to make the art look polished and ready for USA customers who want instant digital downloads. Upload to Etsy with a strong SEO title, USA focus tags, and a clear description. Offer multiple print sizes so American buyers can easily print at home or at a local shop. This flexibility drives more sales in the USA market. Here's the magic loop. Once listed, your digital wall art sells again and again. No shipping, no stock, just pure passive income. Add more designs, and your Etsy shop becomes a cash printing machine for USA audiences.